Meaning of humpbacked bridge.
Humpbacked bridge.
Humpbacked bridge.
Humpbacked bridge.
Humpbacked bridge. A humpback bridge, also known as a hump bridge or a hunchback bridge, is a type of bridge that features a curved deck that rises to a high point in the middle before descending again on the other side. This design allows the bridge to span over obstacles like rivers or roads without requiring a steep incline or long approach ramps. Humpback bridges have been used for centuries and can be found all over the world, from ancient Roman aqueducts to modern truss bridges. They are particularly popular in rural areas where they provide a charming and distinctive landmark.